Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the C3Glide ChatGPT plugin that you can use to get live aviation data for pilots, and you can also ask questions about matters, TAFs, NOTAMs for flight planning. Right before I would show you an actual example on how to activate and prompt the C3Glide ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin where I talk about some of the use cases of the plugin, and I also share some of the best plugin prompts you can use the C3Glide ChatGPT plugin with. So if you're interested in more details about this plugin, make sure to check out the article linked in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the C3Glide ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use the C3Glide plugin, of course you have to make sure that plugins are enabled in your ChatGPT account. So you're going to be able to enable the plugins mode in GPT-4. So first you have to make sure that you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, then enable the plugin mode. Then you have to click on New Chat on the top left, then select GPT-4 from the model selector, then select the plugins model. Then you have to click on this down arrow and install this C3Glide plugin. If it's not installed for you, you have to scroll down and click on plugin store, C3Glide, and install the plugin. And last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so let's see an example on how to activate and use this plugin. So I'm going to use the following prompt, which is going to be a really simple prompt. So retrieve the latest matter or METAR report for JFK. So JFK is the Kennedy Airport in New York City, so it's a very well-known airport. So let's see what the plugin will come up with. All you have to do is click on send message here. And as you can see, the plugin has been activated. So this is the response we get from C3Glide. ChatGPT was able to understand this natural language prompt. And as you can see, it has added location route as JFK and aviation data products as matter or METAR. And based on that, this is the report we get from JFK. Here's a breakdown of the report. This is the day of the month, time of the report. We get information about the wind, the visibility, the weather phenomena, clouds, the temperature, the dew point, the altimeter, and remarks and special observation. So this is a full matter report for the John F. Kennedy International Airport. So all in all, this is how to use the C3Glide ChatGPT plugin to get information about airports or get live aviation data for pilots or for other use cases. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can use to improve your efficiency in business, finance, marketing, SEO, cryptocurrency trading, stock trading, scientific research, and more use cases. Basically any use case you can think of. And more tutorials are coming up for this YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.